Do. Alright, I'm getting back. Don't do drugs. Drugs bad. Suck a trip. Whoa, that's spit all over the place. Yeah, put it like that. Peace. Oops, sorry.
That is born for this.
Ready. Sorry. Oh, damn.
We're gonna miss Brad.
Dude, put the trash can over it.
Put it in the 5-gallon bucket.
Oh, boo. Boo. Oh.
This should be big.
What happened to the trash can thing?
Huh?
What happened to the trash can idea?
Oh, I don't know. We got it. We'll do it now. Probably should be wearing ear protection on there.
It's not that bad, really.
No, they didn't. Not a motorcycle. Scary. They joke about it, it wouldn't be funny. What are we at now?
11.5.
Oh my god! That was sweet! Scared the crap out of me.
Went off 30 seconds earlier.
Oh!
Look at the...
Is that worth it or what? I wish I would have put the trash can over it now. Oh man! Look at that! It's gone!
Probably froze it, you know, and then it...
Yeah, that's what it did. That's why it did that. It froze it.
Brand new garbage can.
Sweet.
The next one we have to put on top of it though.
I think my prediction was right.
What?
I said chances are they had some sort of special trash cans that are a little extra thick, you know?
No, well they might have blew up their first trash can and then put a different trash can on top.
All the shrapnel. Everywhere.
That was worth it though. I'm glad we know it takes a long time. That makes it feel better.
Right up here now, I can see why the trash can was cheap.
Holy crap.
What about that
We
bottle?
need to put it in the trash.
Told you that thing is loud.
What about that bottle over there?
We need to put it on the
Where's it gonna go?
Huh?
Dud number 1. Never did do anything.
Here, let's take the
Lid
cap
must
off
have
of
been
it. It's gotta be. Ooh, it's still cold.
Oh my god!